Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. This video is related to 9th standard CBSE board students who wants to learn computer applications subject. Today's topic is related to unit 1, that is basics of information technology. In this unit, first of all, we learn what is computer system. So students, let's start. The contents are as follows. What is computer? Characteristics of computer system, applications of computer system, and components of computer system. In this video, we just discuss about what is computer. So, the first point is a computer is an electronic device. Students, we must know the difference between electric devices and electronic devices. I am not going in depth, but the basic difference is the devices who works lesser than 110 volts are known as electronic devices, and the devices who works greater than 110 volts are known as electric devices. I hope you are understand which devices is known as electric and which one is electronic. Now, the next point is it accepts data as input and processes it to produce the result as output. Next, a computer is used to perform arithmetic and logical operations automatically. Here, arithmetic means all the mathematical formulation like addition, multiplication, etc. and logical operation means all the comparison based operations like less than, greater than, etc. So, the basic idea is a computer is an electronic device that is used to perform arithmetic and logical operations. Okay? Now, computer is not an acronym. What it means? It means computer have no full form. It is a word derived from Latin word computere, which means to calculate. Further, somewhere you can see the full form of computer, which is not authenticated, but you can use. What it is? Full form of computer can be commonly operated machine, particularly used in technology, education and research. Okay. Now, next slide. So, the next point, a computer is made up of two components, that is hardware and software. Now, what do you mean by hardware and software? Whatever you feel or you can see, touch, all that components are in the category of hardware, like keyboard, mouse, monitor, and the programs and languages who handle hardware are in the category of software. Move on to the next slide. So, here you can see the pictorial representation of a common computer. Here you can see that there are some input devices like keyboard and mouse. The input comes from these devices to the system unit known as CPU, central processing unit. These CPU perform the processing After the processing, the result is given to the output devices like monitor, and the combination of these are known as computer. So, in today's video, we learned what is computer. I am going to summarize it. Computer system is an electronic device which is collection of hardware and software that are designed to receive instructions given by user and returns output in the form of human readable after processing it. I hope now you can understand the definition of computer, or you can say that a computer system. So that's all for today. In the next video, we will see the characteristics of computer system. Thank you so much.
वाह, आपने बहुत आज अच्छे से बोला।